Hello guys, it's Kira Life and welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'm gonna share with you how to do school makeup. I will tell you about my favorite products, what to use and what not to use. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to do is to wear our anti-hair thing. Yeah. So we just need to get rid of our hair. We just don't need it. So let's start with the skin cleaning thing. I just like to use soda foam. I use this one. I don't know, you can just find it. It's from Korea. And I love it. It's really fast and really simple. You just apply it on your finger, then pick a bit of water, warm water of course, then you make this, so you will have it here on your arms, and then you just apply it on your face. You should do it before your every makeup, so it doesn't depend on your age. You just need to clean your skin every time before and after makeup. Wait a few seconds and then you just need to wash it with water. Okay, so here we go. After cleaning our skin, we need to decide which makeup we're doing. So basically, if you don't have enough time, you just need to apply foundation, then a little bit of blush and something like this. But if we're looking for something more special with shadows and maybe contouring, a bit of contouring, that's the right word, then we need to use a makeup base. I will use this base from Evelyn Cosmetics. I actually love it. Okay, and now we are applying the base. We need to wait a little bit. And what's next? When we are waiting, we can just make our eyebrows. For this, I will use the darkest shade of this palette. This is from Sweet Sugar. From Paris. I love this, the right color eyeshadow plus 2 color eyebrow. Yeah. So these are for eyebrows, these are eyeshadows, and this is really convenient. I personally recommend this palette so much. And actually I love the second palette of this brand as well, because I will use these two shades for the blush, and these two shades I can use either eyebrows, either eyes, so it's so good. And this color, or maybe this, they are almost the same. We can use them for contouring. For the eyebrows, I will take a really small brush. I think I don't have any smaller brushes, so I will take this brush and apply a bit of brown shade right on my eyebrow. How do I do that? Look, so I have my eyebrow and I just do the bottom line of my eyebrow, like the darkest one. Yeah, you see? Okay, so then I just make my outer corner a bit darker, and then I just blend it till the inner corner of my eyebrow. So that's how it goes. The same thing we do on the second eyebrow. I just make the line, the darkest line under my eyebrow. Then I fill the outer corner with this brush and fill the rest of my eyebrow with the same shade. And please don't make your eyebrows black when your hair is not black. It looks not naturally, so I don't recommend it. Okay, when we're done with coloring our eyebrows, we just need to fixate them. I will use Lux Visage Brow Super Fix. I don't think it's so important to buy this brand, but I just love the way it fixes my eyebrows. So how do I do that? I just make some motions from the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the right, and right. Yeah, and then I just make this. So I'm just cleaning this outer corner, you see, yeah? So let's repeat. From the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the left, to the left, to the left, and control motion. Yeah, well, I hope you got it. So next step is foundation. Attention, if you are 13 years old or younger, then I don't recommend you to use any foundation at all, because I'm sure that your skin is already good looking. Instead of foundation, you can use concealer, because we don't need so thick color on your face, you know. Just trust me and use some concealer instead of foundation, because you don't need these steps. So for people who are applying foundation, firstly I'd like to tell you the difference between applying with the sponges or with your fingers. Actually, there is a really small difference, like when you look on your face, but I don't like sponges, so if you're using expensive products, then I recommend you to apply them with the fingers, but that's a matter of taste, you know. So in this makeup tutorial I will be applying everything with my fingers. I hope you too. So let's start. I'm just applying a few dots of my foundation. This is a foundation from Evelyn Cosmetics, Wonder Match. I recommend it so much. This one is the pink one, that means it's glossy and it has 20 SPF as well. So yeah, if you don't have any SPF in your foundation, then apply some SPF under your foundation. Look at my fingers, they're just tapping a bit on my cheek, and I'm applying it really softly. Left side. Okay, that's how it looks, a bit better. The next step is dark contouring. What do I mean? For the dark contouring, we need to contour right on the bottom of our cheekbone and right on the bottom of this one, of this bone, of our, and right on the bottom of our jaw. And of course, we will need to contour our nose a bit. We will be contouring it with triangle motion, like from here to the here. And the last darker shade will be applied on our eye crease. I will show it later. So let's start with the contouring. I will use this palette. You need to blend it like this, and after that you need to blend it to the top, to the top. We need to save this light area because it makes our jawline look bigger. And if you don't want any jawline, then just skip this step. You don't need any jaws. If you have cheeks, then skip this step. You don't need this contouring. Now here will be the blush, but here we need to apply some contour right on the bottom of our blush area. Now it's good. And then applying right here on the bottom of our jaw. Don't forget to blend it out really well. Okay, and now we're doing our nose contour. It goes like this. I applied here the darkest shade, and I'm going to the tip of our nose. Don't be scared, just Make sure you blend it so well. After this, we need to apply our concealer. Today I will use the L'Oreal Paris concealer. I think it's really cool. And yeah, let's apply it. How to apply it? You just make sure to draw here a little line and here as well. The same thing goes here and here. If you apply the rest of the concealer right on your eye crease, that will be also good because it could work as a good eyeshadow base, so don't worry. After applying the concealer, we need to apply a little bit of the blush. For the blush, we need to use the big brush. I will use this one. So I will apply, as I said, I will apply some shadow from this palette. I think for this makeup I will be using the peachy shade, like this, and blend it so well. If you'd like to have the effect of the sunburn, then just do this thing with your brush. You can just apply a bit more. And that's it. Our contouring is over. I'm going to use this golden shade. This one is almost unnoticeable. It has just a little bit of the glitter inside and that's it. It has a little bit of golden flakes. And yeah, that's pretty enough for school, I think. And now we are just applying a little bit brown shade, which I used for the contouring, right on the outer corner of our eye crease. Then we do the same thing here and here. Now you can apply just a little bit of mascara. I will use the Maybelline New York. And the last step will be the highlighter. For this video I'm gonna be using the Shimmer Squad from Lottie. This is my probably oldest makeup product, but I love it so much. I'm using it like since 2016. And we are applying this highlighter right on our cheekbone, right on our blush. I will use the green one. And a little bit on our nose, on the bridge of our nose. Yeah, like this. What else? So we have our lips for now, and here I would recommend you to use any lip balm that you have. Actually, I like the glittery one, but I'm not sure that it's allowed in your school, so I will just use the red one. So it's from Nivea, I don't know, Strawberry Shine. So yeah, that's it. That's all we needed for today. Now we're just brushing our hair a bit, and let's go to the final look.